Seed dispersal is the process by which plants spread their seeds away from the parent plant. This mechanism is crucial for plant survival and colonization of new areas. Throughout this video, we'll explore the different ways plants accomplish this remarkable feat. You might wonder why seeds don't just drop beneath the parent plant. The answer lies in competition. If all seeds fell directly under the parent, they would compete intensely for sunlight, water, and nutrients. This crowding would reduce survival chances dramatically. By dispersing seeds to new locations, plants give their offspring a better opportunity to thrive without competing with siblings or the parent plant. Plants have evolved 4 primary methods to disperse their seeds. First is wind dispersal, where seeds are carried by air currents. Second is animal dispersal, involving birds, mammals, and other creatures. Third is water dispersal, utilizing rivers, streams, and ocean currents. And fourth is explosive dispersal, where plants forcefully eject their seeds. Each method represents a unique adaptation to ensure successful reproduction. Wind dispersal relies on specially adapted seeds that are lightweight and equipped with structures like wings or hairy parachutes. Think of dandelion seeds floating through the air or maple seeds spinning like helicopters. These adaptations allow seeds to catch air currents and travel considerable distances from the parent plant. Other examples include ash trees and milkweed, all designed to maximize distance traveled by wind. Animals play a vital role in seed dispersal through 2 main mechanisms. First, by eating fruits. Birds and mammals consume fleshy fruits, and the seeds pass through their digestive systems unharmed, eventually being deposited far from the original plant. Second, by attachment. Some seeds have hooks, barbs, or sticky coatings that cling to animal fur or bird feathers, hitching a ride to new locations. Both methods effectively transport seeds across landscapes. Water dispersal is particularly important for plants growing near rivers, lakes, or oceans. These seeds have special adaptations like air pockets or waterproof coatings that allow them to float. Coconuts are perhaps the most famous example, capable of floating across vast ocean distances. Water lilies and mangroves also use this method, with their seeds carried by currents to establish new populations downstream or along coastlines. Explosive dispersal is one of nature's most dramatic seed-spreading mechanisms. Certain plants develop seed pods that build up internal pressure as they mature. When the pressure reaches a critical point, the pods burst open suddenly, forcefully ejecting seeds away from the parent plant. Pea pods, touch-me-not plants, and squirting cucumbers are excellent examples. This method ensures seeds land at a safe distance, ready to germinate without parental competition. The key takeaway is that seed dispersal ensures survival by reducing competition between parent and offspring plants. It allows plants to colonize new areas and adapt to diverse environments. Through wind, animals, water, and explosive mechanisms, plants have developed specialized strategies refined over millions of years of evolution. Understanding these mechanisms helps us appreciate the complexity and ingenuity of plant reproduction.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.